Thank you guys for watching my video. I appreciate the love. Don't forget to hit that like button, share. Oh, yeah. Just stop and start again. Hey guys, it's Chief here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I did a little haul in the whole name of building myself a PC, or the whole goal of building myself a PC. And this is what I came up with. So I'll be showing you guys every single thing I bought. I bought a few other things, but nothing too significant. I'll show you guys everything. So let's get it. Bye. So I have this little knife here with me, and it's going to be my partner for today. So these are the monitors. I got two. So I got two 25-inch 240Hz gaming monitors, and hopefully the resolution is amazing and I'm able to So I'm going to be bringing out everything from this box one by one. So I have a Red Dragon power supply. It's 850 watts. I have the motherboard plus Wi-Fi. My 32 gig RAM. Headphones. A keyboard mouse. Fans, a gym bag. Yeah, this is really good. It's gonna come in handy for sure. So I got the ASUS graphic card, a white mouse, webcam, 2TB SSD, RGB keyboard, and an A60 mic. So we have the liquid cooler. It's an all-in-one. So Intel Core i7, and I got trainers because my boots kept getting stuck in the indoor pitch I went to. So I decided to get the same ones but trainers. And the case for my PC, I think it goes this way. Yep, beautiful. And actually, last but not the least, the HDD. Getting this package took a lot out of me. An 8TB Barracuda internal hard drive. So if you guys want to see me build this PC, stick around for the next video. Thank you guys for sticking around to the end. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button, and also turn on my notifications so you don't miss anything.